Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install PopOS 24.04 LTS version on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to PopOS official website. It is pop.system76.com to download. Click on download. See here we have the 24.04 and this is with NVIDIA support and this is for ARM. Okay, this supports the recommended RAM is 4 GB and 16 GB storage, 64-bit processor. Computers with Intel or AMD graphics or NVIDIA. Okay, so click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 2.9 GB. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded PopOS 24.04 ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. To create new virtual machine. Next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Click on browse button. Then go to download. See here we have the PopOS 24.04 LTS version. ISO image. Select it. Next. Now select the guest operating system as Linux and version as Ubuntu because it is based on Ubuntu. Click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving PopOS 24 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Name can be anything. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you have the NS space. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 GB. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click on select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Select a language from this list. I am selecting English. Then click on this select button. Then select language, select, then click on select keyboard mode, keyboard layout. I am going with the default, so select again default. Now installation type. See here we have the clean installation or custom. I am going to see this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select this clean install. Then click on clean install. See here we have only one. Then click on this erase and install. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 schools and this is the username. Then click on next. Now set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. If you want to encrypt, you have to click on encrypt. I don't want, so select this don't encrypt. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on restart device. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Enter. Welcome. Click on next. I am going with all defaults, so click on next. Keyboard layout, I am going with the defaults. Next. Select the location. See, this location will be the time zone and location. Click on next. See, this is the appearance. I am going with the first one, that is Cosmic Dark. If you want, you can select any one of these. Okay. Click on next. Script setup and console. See, you got the PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Increase the font size by just pressing Ctrl+. Now verify the version more /etc OS-release. See, we have installed PopOS 24.04 LTS version and its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay, Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, Ctrl+. Now verify the IP of this machine. IF config. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. The first step after connecting to PopOS 24.04 is we have to update the packages. Ctrl+, sudo apt update absent sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. What is the password of the sudo user? Hit enter. See, it is going to install this package and upgrading these packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PopOS 24.04 LTS version on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.